Good day, guys. This is Rusty number 5 speaking. And today, we are doing Guess the Wooden Railway Item 2. A couple months ago, I did Guess the Wooden Railway Item, where I took a wooden railway item, I took multiple wooden railway items, and I tried to guess what they were without looking at them. And today, I'll be doing that again. So welcome to Guess the Wooden Railway Item 2. By the way, if you haven't seen the first one, I'd recommend watching that, link in the description. I am now going to get the items. So, I've got the items. Let's begin. Item number 1. Is this this one of these wooden, I don't even know if this is a wooden railway item, to be honest. Well, this isn't Millie. Okay, my guess, wait, actually this could be. I feel like this could be a wooden railway item. I just don't. Okay, I think it's Millie. Oh, it is Bash, one of the logging logos. Next item. I feel like this might be Ferdinand's. Actually, no, this is definitely not Spencer. Gordon, maybe? I feel like it doesn't quite feel like Gordon. Okay, it's definitely Tender Engine. Maybe it's Actually, I think Hero might be on that shelf over there because I was doing 12 Days of Fat Mess, and what Hero was one of the items I did. I think it's Ferdinand. Oh, Ferdinand. I've gone one right. Oh yeah, I think I will list which I have gone right. So far I've gone one right. This is either the early engineer's Stanley or the early engineer's Percy. Because yeah, the early engineer's items are actually really easy to really they feel very you know kinda when it's an early engineer's item. When you're doing Guess the Wooden Railway item, which I am the only one that can relate to that. So welcome, Stanley. Probably should have planned where I'm going to put the items. Maybe this is Dash. It's possible. I'm pretty sure this is Percy. It is Percy. Next item. Look at this speed. Oh, maybe this is the 60th anniversary Percy. Oh wow. So far I have gone 3 runs. This one feels very light. Compared to other wooden railway items, yeah, very, very light here. I really don't know. Maybe this is Millie. It is Mike. I'm actually not surprised. It's very hard for me to guess that. This is definitely early engineers Percy, and it is. This Rosie? Maybe, or maybe this is like a tender engine, like part of a tender engine. It would be cool if there were two, if we had two Stanleys in this episode. Okay. What could this possibly be? Maybe this is an interlocking logo. It is Skarloey. Okay. Okay, so far I've gotten 3 right, I think. Next item. This is either Caitlin or Connor. Caitlin. I've gone a tender. Oh, the musical Caboose. Tom Hat does not like this. This is the... Actually, did I already have the... Oh yeah, I forgot about the early engineers Gordon, actually. Yeah, it's used to be the Gordon I used in my series, actually. No, this is not what. This is a tender, I think? I mean, pretty sure I don't have any cars like this. Then this is definitely not a diesel. Oh, is this Ferdinand's tender? I mean, it feels a bit long to be Ferdinand's tender. I feel a bump here. I'll actually be really surprised if this is Ferdinand's tender. Oh, Gator. Kinda forgot he has these bumps here. You know, something that I've realized while doing Guess the Winner items, that a lot of engines feel very similar to each other. This must be Emily. It is Emily. Anyways, that is all for Guess the Wooden Railway Item 2. Let me know if you'd like to see a third one, although I think I can guarantee I'm going to do a third one. Russ Stack.